This might freak you out, but trees can talk to each other. Not with sound, with the internet, underground. Tree roots connect to giant fungal networks called mycorrhizae. Think of it like nature's Wi-Fi. One tree gets attacked by bugs, it sends warning signals through the fungus. Nearby trees get the message and start producing poison before the bugs arrive. Some trees even share food with weaker trees. But here's the creepy part. Old trees control the network. Scientists literally call them mother trees. Yeah, the forest has admins.